So if you're always switching your YouTube channels to watch your videos from your other YouTube channels, the moment you upload your videos, simply because some other creator told you that that is one way to grow on YouTube, then this particular video right here is for you. A lot of upcoming content creators are guilty of this particular act because we feel that this can actually help us to get views on the channel without even considering the costs or the risks that is actually involved. In this video, I'm going to tell you how this particular act can affect your channel, how it destroyed my other YouTube channel before I created this new one that you're watching from, and what you can do instead of watching your videos by yourself that can actually help you to grow your YouTube channel rapidly. So if you have been guilty of this particular act, I would encourage you to be patient and watch this video to the end so you don't skip any part and you know what you have actually been doing wrong and what to do that's going to help your channel to experience the growth that it needs. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. A lot of you content creators have up to 4 or 5 different accounts that each time you upload a video on YouTube, you rush to that account, you quickly switch to that account to go and watch your own videos. Maybe because after some time, maybe like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours, your videos are still stuck on 1 to 5 views and you feel like, oh, nothing is happening. Let me go and watch the videos. Maybe that will actually help my video to start going or help YouTube to start pushing the video. Do you know that the algorithm knows? The algorithm is actually aware of this act that you are doing and it has a way of punishing you for it. Now, let's take for an example, you have up to 5 channels that you created to watch your videos. Lots of people create these channels and they are not even using these channels. These channels are not active. They are solely because you want to use them to watch your videos. Now, when you log into these channels, like you switch into these channels to watch these videos that you have uploaded and you log out, you're actually giving the algorithm much work to do. You are confusing the algorithm because it doesn't even know the audience that that particular video is for. Why? Because you don't use that channel to watch other videos. Now, each time you watch a video, when another video is uploaded, you see the algorithm keeps suggesting the person's video to you. So that is how it happens. Now let's say for an example, you have used your channel to watch this video and you are off. Now you don't even use that channel to watch any other video. The algorithm does not even know the kind of video or the kind of audience that is going to recommend that your particular video to. On the second hand, sometimes you can even maybe use this your channel to watch football and some other things. And let's say, for instance, you are in the educational niche. The algorithm now thinks that, oh, let me push this video to people that watch football simply because you watch football with that channel. So now, let's assume you watch that video with this particular channel that you have used to watch football or hair making. Now, the next time you upload a video, the algorithm pushes that video to people that watches football and people that watches hair making. It feels like, oh, because this channel that watch football, then people who watch football may actually be interested in this video, and then they start pushing your video to the wrong audience. And now when your video starts getting to the wrong audience, all they keep doing is they keep swiping your video away, and by so doing, it tells or signals the algorithm that this video is not good. The algorithm feels like, because it is not a human, it is a robot, it is an AI. So it feels like, oh, people are not watching this video. People don't like this video. And you know the algorithm, YouTube will not want to recommend or push any videos that people are not interested in. And before you know, these things come back to affect your own YouTube channel. So it stops to recommend your videos and thereby reducing your impression click-through rate. Your click-through rate starts dropping, and before you know, it gets to 0, and then the algorithm stops recommending that video totally. And there's another thing that a lot of creators are not aware of. Every phone has an IP address. So let's take, for instance, you have 4 different accounts or 5 different accounts in a particular phone. Now, each time you upload this video, you switch your account to watch this video 5 times on that particular phone. It is recorded on the algorithm that that video has been watched once, because it traces it down to your IP address and discovers that that video has been watched on one IP address 5 times, and the algorithm keeps taking note of this particular ads. If this is something that comes up repeatedly, the algorithm keeps note of it, because the IP address reveals how many times that account has been switched to watch that video, and this so ads can kill your channel. Like, it can cause that channel to be entirely deleted from the YouTube space. So instead of switching your channels to watch your videos, what should I do that can help me to grow my YouTube channel? So number 1, instead of switching your YouTube channels to watch your videos by yourself, which is not going to do you any good, it is advisable that you create high and engaging content. with good thumbnails that is going to attract people to watch your videos by themselves. This will actually bring in audience that are interested in that particular kind of content. And before you know it, each time you upload a video, these people watch your videos without even asking them to. Number two way of actually growing your channel without having to switch channels is sharing your videos to groups that are interested in your kind of content. You can actually do that on platforms that are outside the YouTube platform. We have a lot of other social media platforms that you can actually use to share your content. You can share them to Facebook, Reddit, TikToks, and some other social media platforms that will be interested in watching those kind of videos. And lastly, you have to be patient on the platform and allow YouTube to do its work. Stop helping the algorithm to do its work. Stop trying to push your videos yourself. Be patient because it's actually going to take time. Going on this space is not for the weak. It actually takes time. So all you need to do is to be consistent. Try to work on your thumbnails. Get good eye-catching thumbnails that always screams, click me. Try to make sure your content are valuable enough. And lastly, try to share your videos to groups. All right. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up and check up on any of these videos we have here. It could actually be helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my very next video. For now, bye.